Welcome back to DEPHEMEREMBER 2024. Today we are combining a flip-out page with an old photo of our suburb. This project will add a personal touch to your journal while creating extra space for journaling. Let's unlock our creativity together and let's get crafting. Another episode of DEPHEMEREMBER 2024, and today is a short but sweet video. And if you are new here, this is an annual event hosted by Barbara from 49 Dragonfly and Luise Heinzel, where from Monday to Thursday we are using prompts to create beautiful ephemera for our junk journals. And I use mine to fill this journal. It's a gift for somebody close to me, and I already have put all the bits and pieces from the videos before into this journal. And today I thought I will add the flip out page and an old photo to this side. This is a map of the area where the person is living in. And with maps and things like that, because there is no writing space, I thought I could use this to add a little bit of writing space. I found on the internet like a clip out from an old magazine about a hotel in the suburb she is living in, and I thought it is fitting beautifully to this map, and it is a very easy technique, just as you can see, to flip it out to the right, and then on the back side you have writing space. I'm using this washi tape here, and I thought it's so fitting because it's a film strip and because it's such an old photo. It felt like an old vintage movie, and I thought it is a nice combination to do this. It's easy to show. What I would like to do is, because the back side will be around journaling, this journal will be a dream journal for her, and so I like to include like lines or something that looks on top of being a journal, like a notebook. And this particular stamp here looks like a spiral bound notebook. So using my archival ink in black, I decided to print 2 pages. Here I'm using, again, some of you might know already, my glass coaster as a printing block. It's the cheapest version you can imagine. Go to a second-hand shop or a thrift store. There are so many glass coasters for peanuts, and they work so nicely as printing blocks. Getting the ink on this, and now wrong way round, turn it around, and just position it, and then I make sure that I really press it down so that all areas are pressed nicely. I think I'm happy with the print, and then doing it on the other side as well. Good. I so enjoy our DEPHEMEREMBER 2024. It is like a marathon of creative ideas, and because we only got the prompts on the 15th of November, I really need to come up with creative ideas more or less every single day. And it is stretching my imaginations. It really, really, really does. And it's fascinating for me to see when we focus on our creativity and really give it time and space, what unexpected things come out of it. And here I am using my washi tape, and my plan is to have it half on one side, on the map side, and the other half on the flip out page. I am using, in addition to the washi tape, even though it is sticky, I'm definitely using the art glitter glue because it will have a lot of wear and tear, and so I really would like to make sure it is sticking nicely. And I'm adding to the washi tape some of the glue stick because it allows me to move it around a little bit. Whoops, I have a little knot here. It feels like with a real film strip. Can you remember like when you had recording tapes, like when they sometimes crumbled up and you had to rewind everything? Wow, that's really going down memory lane. And like really I'm struggling here a little bit with that, but yeah, I can untangle it. Okay, but so to glue half of it on the map and really pressing it down, and because I had the glue stick, I'm able to move it a little bit. Can you see? I can pull it up a little bit, which would be difficult if I only would have used the art glitter glue. And then the other side here on the flip out page. Very easy. It's a very, very, very easy project to do. You can do this in 10, 15 minutes. And then on the other side as well, here you can open, close, extra writing space, and then here on the other side as well, same process, half. Wonderful. And then folding it over, pressing it all down that it is really securely attached, and then cutting off. Okay, what is that? No, I really, wow, it's like if you don't pay proper attention, like look at this, look what I've done. I'm actually glued this down. Luckily, I can get it off again on the next page. I glued a second page in it here. Wow. Like honestly, if I take my eye off the ball, it's sometimes these funny little accidents are happening in this. Yeah, but we can always correct it. That's the beauty with these junk journals. I love that. I love that this is not a problem. It's such a life lesson. Everything is figure outable. You can sort it. If you notice a mistake, you just can correct it. Okay, that is already the end of this little video. I hope you really enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. It was quick and dirty, but I think it is meaningful, adding a little bit of nostalgia to it. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see more of my videos, and check out the other creators. And bye for now. Have a wonderful day.